This is the science behind air travel, and more specifically, that science behind the air travel after you take off. Sure, there could be weather-related delays, but you know the weather can actually help you get to your destination faster? Yeah, when the winds set up and they're pointed in the atmosphere in the same direction as you're traveling, it's known as a tailwind. It helps push the plane forward. It also helps the pilot use less fuel, which is good news for the aircraft industry. Meanwhile, there are times that the weather sets up in the opposite direction, and winds could be pointed straight towards the plane, known as a headwind. This slows down your flight, and it's not something that pilots really like to do, with a couple exceptions. If you're taking off or you're landing, you actually really need a headwind, and here's why. Let's pretend this plane is taking off, so it's moving this way, creating some of that wind going backwards over the wing. But if there's actual wind added in, pointed towards the front of the plane, known as that headwind, then this area of low pressure is actually lower. It's more strong. It means there's less air above the wing, and all of that helps create the lift, that lifting mechanism needed to get the plane off the ground. So you can hope for a headwind while you're taking off or landing, but you really want a tailwind in order to get to your destination faster.